Hello everyone, I am Lalit Sharma from the Venkateshwar School, Gurugram. Students, we discussed about vectors in our last class. Now we will discuss position vector and displacement vector. Position vector means a vector which specifies position of a particle at any instant. If we are having a coordinate system, x-axis, this is y-axis, and if at a particular instant of time this is the location P and the coordinate x1 and y1 are the location point of this P. If we draw a line from O, that is origin, to this point P, this is known as position vector of the particle R1. So what is position vector? It is a vector from origin. This is origin point of a coordinate system to position of the object. To specify position, a vector drawn is known as position vector, and it is usually denoted by R. So as you can say, this P location is denoted by this position vector R1. What information this position vector gives us? If we talk about, it provides straight line distance of object from the origin. This straight line gives the distance between this particle and the origin, and also it tells about the direction, in which direction the particle is present at a given instant. So this is the position, initial position of the particle, and if it changes its position to Q and the coordinates of Q are x2, y2, then the position vector is denoted by this R2. This is the new position of the particle. This is initial position vector. This is final. If we subtract initial vector from the final position vector, we will get displacement vector. Means this PQ, which is drawn in red color, is known as delta R, and this is the displacement of the particle, because as you know, displacement is the shift in the position, initial position and final position. So this PQ is known as displacement vector, and it is denoted by R, delta R, and its value can be calculated like this: delta R is equal to R2 minus R1. And if you put values of R2, it is x2 I unit vector minus x1 I unit vector plus y2 j unit vector minus y1 j unit vector. These I and j are the unit vectors along x-axis and y-axis. Students, we will discuss about these I unit vector, j unit vector, and how we can put it. It is given by x2 minus x1 I unit vector plus y2 minus y1 into j unit vector. In this chapter, motion in a plane, we will discuss how displacement vector is taken and how position vectors are important, and we can solve equation of motion with the help of these equations.